At Azul, a magnificent white marble open kitchen and raw bar vie for your attention with floor-to-ceiling windows that showcase the spectacular bay views. Once your meal arrives, however, your attention is sure to be captured by the dishes themselves, like the chef's favorite appetizer, rainbow of oysters, or the spicy Japanese hamachi titadito. Azul's wine program, designed by sommelier Cynthia Betancourt, features more than 700 world-class wines. The award-winning wine list encompasses a mix of current releases and classic vintages from the finest producers as well as the latest boutique wineries worldwide. If you're seeking something more casual, Café Sambal is the perfect choice. This waterfront restaurant offers both indoor and alfresco dining with stunning views overlooking the sparkling waters of Biscayne Bay. As much a treat for the eyes as the appetite, you can take in the decorative pool at the base of the dramatic staircase while perusing the extensive menu of contemporary Asian cuisine. The Sushi and Sake Bar features a menu of delectable sushi and an impressive selection of sake, available by the carafe or bottle. The lobby lounge provides the perfect setting for a friendly business meeting or drinks. Surrounded by greenery and orchids, the atmosphere is casual and relaxed with plush silk sofas and oversized chairs. Overlooking the hotel's infinity edge pool and the sparkling waters of Biscayne Bay, M-Bar is home to the largest selection of martinis in South Florida. Relax with your martini or a glass of fine wine and enjoy the panoramic views of the Miami skyline and breathtaking Biscayne Bay through M-Bar's floor-to-ceiling windows.
Here at Azul, we offer 800 selections. We have a wide range of wines from different areas. We try to hit different parts of the world and different regions and appellations. We do offer Old World and New World. Old World consists of the classical regions, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. New World is actually the newer areas that are making wine now: Argentina, Australia, and California. The tasting menu consists of 6 courses. And what we offer is they change it every single day. The chef changes it and so do I. I think wine encompasses a lot the food that Chef Clay offers. And it's 6 courses: cold appetizer, fish course, meat course, cheese course, and dessert. The first one that I've chosen is a dry Riesling. And the reason why I picked this, it goes great with any Florida cuisine, especially the cold appetizers that we have, and also our native stone crabs.